Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Question. Today I will talk about how to make money from YouTube. YouTube is a really big website with lots of people using it every month, over 2 billion. This platform is not just for a funny cat videos. People can use it to build a career, share things they love, and even make money. If you are thinking about starting your own YouTube channel and making money from it, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll talk about everything you need to know about making money on YouTube in 2024. We'll cover how you can make money from your videos, ways to get more people to watch them, and tips for making really a good videos. I think this will be helpful for your YouTube journey. There are few ways to make money from YouTube channel. Here are the most common ones. Number 1, ads. This is the most usual way. When you turn on ads for your YouTube videos, YouTube will show ads before, during, or after your videos. You will earn money based on how many times people click or watch the ads. Number 2 is sponsorship. Brand might pay you to talk about their stuff in your videos. This can be a good way to make money, but it is important to work with the brands that your viewers will care about. Number 3, affiliate marketing. You can make money by talking about and promoting other people's products in your video. You will get a commission when someone buys something through your special link. Number 4, selling your own stuff. If you have your own things to sell like product or services, you can do that through your YouTube channel. It is a good way to reach more people. Once you know how you want to make money, you need more people to watch your videos. Here are some tips. Make good videos. People like videos that are interesting and fun. Make sure your videos are helpful or entertaining. Use the right word. Use words that people might type into the search bar when looking for videos like yours. Tell people about your videos. Share them on social media and other places where people might see them. Work with other YouTubers. Team up with other people making videos. It helps reach more viewers. Talk to your viewers. Answer comments, talk with your viewers, and be a part of the community. Now I can mention some tips for making videos that help you make money. Number 1, know what you love. Make videos about things you really care about and know a lot about. This way you will attract people who are interested in the same thing. Number 2, make your video look interesting. Your video title and picture are the first thing people notice. Make them catchy and related to your video. Number 3, use good quality sound and video. People like watching videos that look and sounds good. Number 4, keep it short. Most people do not have a lot of time, so aim for videos under 10 minutes. Number 5, tell people what to do. At the end of your video, tell your viewers what you want them to do next. Subscribe, visit your website, or buy something from you. Making money on YouTube takes time, but the right plan, it is possible. Follow tips here and you will increase your chances of success, and definitely you can make money from YouTube. Now I can mention some bonus extra tips. First thing, be patient. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time. Be consistent. Upload videos regularly to keep your audience interested. Number 3, have fun. If you enjoy making videos, it will show and people will enjoy watching them too. I think this information will be very helpful to make a new YouTube channel and making money from there. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and share it to others. Also, if you have any question regarding that, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.